everybody. My name is Skylar. I'm 5 years old. I live in America in Plaque City. So, hold on, guys. I'm gonna get something. This was the first book. What do monsters eat? So let's do it, everybody. What do monsters eat? Some monsters eat snakes. Some monsters eat snakes. Some monsters eat snakes. Some monsters eat snakes. Some monsters eat cakes. Now let's go to the next, guys. And this is my first video. I'm sorry, but I'm going to be on the YouTube channel. Comment down below if you want to see my video about reading. There's another girl that teaches and she has kids. So go there and comment down below. And there's 50 states. Remember that, okay? Some monsters eat bugs. Some monsters eat rugs. Some monsters eat bugs. Some monsters eat rugs. So you want to see me? And then Grandma, how to make it stop?
Hit that button again when you started it.